Okay, hello to the group. John Stern, Holiday, Utah. I'm doing something a little different today. I'm going to talk knives. I'm a bit of a knife fan, and you know, having a good knife it's not the end of the world if you don't have a knife, but it makes life a little bit easier probably 1% of the time. Other than that, you can kind of just deal. Anyway, for whatever that's worth. AliExpress purchase. So I saw this knife online. It's the Benchmade Dacian fixed blade knife. It's about $300. So I said to myself, okay, let's see if the AliExpress has this. And they do. And check this out. It says Benchmade. I don't know if any of this is a copy or if it's the real deal. $27, $28 knife. Retail, it's $300. This is just wild. It looks pretty legit to me. The only reason why I went with the brown and blue is because it's coated. It's because the blade was coated. It's got the Benchmade logo. Pretty thick tang. This is a bit interesting. And it looks true to life, too, as I look on the Amazon. Yeah, I wish this was better. And maybe that's just the way it is. I guess that'd be all right. I think this is awesome, though. I think this is a great buy for $29. I don't know what's going on out there in the world. Yep. It's got the markings and everything on it. I don't know if this is real or if this is fake, but it's interesting. Okay. I'm sure it cuts just fine, too. So, yeah, choose wisely. Cheers. Okay, here's an update. The only discernible difference I can see from this knife and the true knife, the factory knife from Benchmade, is the size of the lanyard hole. This is smaller. Other than that, everything appears to be the same, which is just crazy to me. Okay. All right. Choose wisely.